Here's the Panasonic FZ82 camera, FZ82, and let's see how to stop it from making sounds whenever you focus the image or whenever you want to start and stop the video recording. So first of all, power it on. It's, let's say, in intelligent auto. You can rotate that one. Okay, and if I focus the image, press it halfway, it's making that sound, and whenever I start the video it's making one beep, and whenever I stop the video it's making two beeps. Okay, so let's eliminate those sounds. Press the middle button here, menu. Okay, and come here to the wrench icon, the second wrench, this one. Okay, and go down to the second page, and here we have beep. Enter beep, and the first one, beep volume, go on to that one, and that's the loudest, that's the lower volume, and that's the muted, so select the muted one. And now if I focus the image, it's not making any sound. It is focusing, but it's silent. And whenever I start a video recording, it's recording, but it's totally silent. Stop it, and there is no sound. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.